Hey guys, welcome back. It is countdown to the Super Bowl. Okay, I'm doing these on the fly. I'm not editing. I'm not throwing in my email or anything because I'm on a time crunch right here. So, with no further ado, as promised, this pack every day until the Super Bowl. All right, so here it is. This is what's inside. First card, let's see, Tony Tolbert, Darren Perry, Lamar Thomas. By the way, I did pick up, obviously, some rookies and stars you guys saw. I opened one pack not too long ago, so I'll be doing those probably after the Super Bowl. Paul Phrase. But I want to go through these vintage packs before the Super Bowl. So, Randall Hill. Horace Copeland. Chris Zorick. Marcus Allen. We know Marcus Allen, don't we? John Randell. Oh, and this has some shiny gold writing on it. Charles Johnson. And did I drop one? Oh, I did not drop one, but I usually say last but not least. So that was it. I'm getting through these packs. I'm in a hurry because I got to get out of here. But I did want to do what I said I was going to do. I promised you a pack a day, or I promised you a rip or an opening or showing you what's inside. Until the Super Bowl, countdown to the Super Bowl. Bye.